Welcome to our guide on the SimpliSafe base station. This vital device serves as the brain of your home security system, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Unfortunately, sometimes the base station may not respond as expected. Let's go over some common issues that could be causing this problem. First, check the power supply and connections to the base station. Make sure it's plugged in securely and that there is power to the outlet. Next, verify your internet connectivity and router settings. Ensure your internet is working properly and that the base station is within range of your router. If that doesn't work, try restarting the base station by unplugging it for a few moments and then plugging it back in. This can reset minor glitches. It's also important to ensure that all your sensors and devices are properly synced with the base station. Check the app for any alerts. Don't forget to check for any software updates within the SimpliSafe app. Keeping your devices up to date is crucial for optimal performance. If you continue to experience issues, utilize the SimpliSafe support resources available online to guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact SimpliSafe customer support for help. They're there to assist you with any lingering issues.